amongst the youngsters. Never hung with no punks in 8th grade. Make way, never faking the funk. My crew wasn't deep, but quality-wise was large back then. We wasn't humble, we were trying to be stars, but couldn't reach them. I was kinda short, but I could speak, and they could never mind the height. I sounded big up on the sequence. Don't mistake me for a rapper jocking your late beats. It's been straight heat since I was in school on 188th Street. Was a beast with the pen, with the least of my friends. My job is to ensure the rap means be with the ends. Despite the storm, I just write, record till the hype is more. What's between the stellar guy and terrified? What am I fighting for? I'm certified. Ripping apart my shirt and tie, have limited bars for certain. I have determined I am like Simba. I deal with scars trying to hurt my pride. Look how I've grown, do it all on my own as I verbalize. They say I'm grown, let's just take a look back. I'm grown, let's just take a look back. Look back. They say I'm grown, let's just take a look back. I'm grown when I'm up on the track. You ain't alone, said you never look back, but I was wrong, let's just take a look back. Now I'm grown, let's just take a look back. Look back. Millennium, flows venom, windbreakers, sport venom, true B-boy, Nike Cortez with holes in them. First show in grade school, flowing like a wave pool. My addiction is the stage, blowing up like grenades do, huh? Asian rappers framing that way, obviously some people making mockeries, but I don't let that bother me. I just keep moving, pursuing the goals that I can see. These professions I could be, there ain't no way to stopping me. Drinking, eating well, getting healthy. I was in a college dropout, but I might as well be. Skip calculus and engineering, said that I'd be wealthy instead. I thought that writing rhymes would bring me the bread. My buzz was like years ahead, but this was just a campus. Me and my boys wasn't toys, making party anthems.
No. Puolet menikö? Ai vittu, ihan suoraan jo. Ei vittu kylmä kerta. Ai vittu, mä polttelin pyörä. Ai vittu. Ai vittu, lokit saa. Töitytkö mitään? Ah. Ei jumalauta! Mikä vittu pääsis sinne? Ei! Ei vittu. Tää on persistä.